Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable chat in Zoom. Whether you are hosting a meeting and want to control interaction or just prefer to limit distractions, disabling the chat feature can be useful. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Zoom website by visiting zoom.com. Then, sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on Settings from the left sidebar. Next, click on In Meeting Basic under the Settings section. Scroll down until you find the chat option. Once you find it, you can disable chat completely by toggling it off. Now you can check if the chat has been disabled by starting or joining a meeting. I'll start a meeting so you can see that the chat has been disabled. And that's it. Now you know how to disable chat in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.